Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to unprotect sheet in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the sheet. So after that, click the right side of mouse and you can see the options of unprotect sheet. So click on it. So when you will click on it, so here you can see the options of password. So write here password. So after that, click on OK. So when you will click on OK, your sheet will be unprotect. So it is the first method. So second method is that click on review and then you can see the options of unprotect sheet. So here you can see the options of password. So write here password and then click on OK. So you can see the sheet is unprotected. So guys, in this way you can unprotect any sheet in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to the playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.